theorem, okay? Theorem on this, okay? Span, let S be any non-empty subset of vector space V, then L of S, span of S is also subspace. Span and subspace. So proof. So let S be any non-empty subset of V. Okay. Then we know by definition span of S. What is span of S? Is a set of all linear combination alpha 1 V1, alpha 2 V2. Okay. In this way, alpha n Vn, such that alpha I is coming from scalar, Vi is coming from that set S, and I running from 1 to n. Is that a set? Solution. Now we have to choose a subspace. Subspace, okay? We have alpha u plus beta v conditions. So take two elements are let u belongs to L of S. That means u is a linear combination of this like alpha 1 v1 plus alpha 2 v2 and alpha n vn. V suppose is the second element of this. That means V also linear combination of this. I say take now other scalars are betas, beta 1, other names W1 suppose, beta 2 W2, beta n Wn. Okay. So every this V is coming from set S, every W is coming from set S. Okay. Now subspace, for subspace, okay, alpha u plus beta v condition for a subspace. So consider alpha u plus beta v. So alpha u is this like beta v open the bracket. This is same as alpha 1 v1 alpha 2 v2 alpha n vn. This is beta 1 w1 alpha 1 is supposed to say alpha 1 dash v1, alpha 2 dash, alpha n dash, beta 1 dash, beta 2 dash, beta n dash. Okay, so this now is a linear combination of element of S. Okay, is a linear combination of these coming from S, W's coming from S. So it is a linear combination of S. Therefore, it belongs to span of S. This belongs to span of S. Okay. So in this way, alpha u plus beta v is also element of L of S. If u element of L of S, v element of L of S, then alpha u plus beta v also element of S. Therefore, by the theorem, alpha u plus beta v corollary therefore by corollary, okay, so L of S is a subspace of vector space. So this simple theorem to examples again on span. Let V1, V2 up to Vn, okay, are the vectors of vector space V. Then prove that okay, 2 points. First point, span of V1, V2 up to Vn is equals to span of alpha 1 V1, alpha 2 V2, alpha n Vn. Okay. So these are all the scalars coming from field. Second example for just two vector V1, V2 vector is a span of V1 minus V2 and V1 plus V2. These two elements, two vectors. Second or two vectors. First result for n vectors. Solution. So let V1, V2 up to Vn are vectors from vector space. Alphas are scalars. There two. First point. So span of this equal to span of this. So it was notation, but set. So let's suppose set yes is a this set of vectors V1, V2 up to Vn, and T is a other set. Elements are this like alpha 1 V1, alpha 2 V2 and alpha m Vn. Okay, and now we have to show this set here, then span of yes, this set span of yes, this set span of T is a set. So span of S equals to span of T. That means we will try to show here S is a subset of span of T and T is a subset of span of S. Okay, in case of this, we try to show S subset of span of T and T subset of span of S, means this like. Okay. Now subset, we know subset means take one element. So let one element of S. So many elements are in the S, V1, V2 here. So Vi suppose is it one element of S. So therefore this Vi, now S plus S, I want element of span of T. Span of T, linear combination of these elements are. So one as Vi and one means alpha I inverse into alpha I Vi, alpha I inverse outside and alpha I Vi. So alpha I Vi, element of T is a scalar multiple is a linear combination. Therefore, this V is a linear combination of element of T. Element of T are alpha I Vi, element of this. Linear combination is what? Element of span. Vi is element of L of T. So if Vi element of S, then Vi element of L of T. Subset. Only one element, verify subset for only one element. Therefore, S will be subset of L of T. First point here. Now T is subset of L of S. Is it? So take one now element of T. T now elements same alpha I Vi, general element. So this is same as alpha I outside and this is Vi. Okay, Vi element of S are V1, V2, Vm. So is a linear combination of element of yes. Linear combination is multiple, some multiple, at least one and multiple thing. Maybe element. That means it is a element of span of yes. Okay, so is element of alpha I here is element of T. Then we express this like. So element of T, element of L of S is subset. T will be subset of L of S. Okay, so both the point clear. S subset of L of T and T subset of L of S. So from 1 and 2 equals L of S means span of S is equals to span of T. Let's do first point. Now second point. Okay, same technique. B parts. Let yes as a now, set is now. Okay, V1 V2 two vectors as a yes set, and T is a two vectors are V1 minus V2 first point and V1 plus V2 second point. Okay, so same question. You have to show span of yes is equals to span of T. That means we will try to show S subset of span of T and T subset of span of S. So take one elements. This suppose V1 minus V2 is element of T. Now linear combination, so this is V1 minus V2 is written as 1 into V1 and minus 1 into V2. This what? Linear combination of V1 and V2 element of S. So this is element of L of S. Okay. This element of T is element of L of S. Therefore, T will be subset of L of S. One point clearly. If you take second element there, V1 plus V2. This is same as 1 into V1 and 1 into V2. 1 into. So it is a linear combination of element of S is belongs to L of S. So both the element of T, this T belongs to this, T belongs to this. V1 plus V2 is element of T. Then okay, so both the elements will verify. Therefore, T will be subset of L of S. So we take first one. Second point, T subset of L of S. Now, S subset of. So S two elements are V1 and V2. So V1. So V1 is it V1 by 2 and V1 by 2. And V2 by 2 and V2 by 2 plus minus adding separately. So half is common, V1 minus V2, half is common, V1 plus V2. Okay, so V1 plus V2 element of T, this element of T, that means it is a linear combination. So multiple, any scalar multiple. So it is a linear combination of element of T. Element of span. V1 is element of. Similarly, also verify the second point. V2 also will verify. So V2 by 2 and V2 by 2, half and half, and adjustment V1 by 2 plus V2 by 2. Okay, so half is common. So half is common, V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2. And here minus half is common, then V1 minus V2. Okay? So it's a reason linear combination, any multiple, any scalar multiple, positive, negative, fraction, anyone. Therefore, is also element of T. So both the elements we take. Okay. V1 element of S, then V2 element of S, then okay. Therefore, S will be subset of span of T. So T subset of span of S and S subset of span of T, both the points. So from 1 and 2, L of S equals to L of T. Therefore, span of V1 and V2 is same as span of V1 minus V2 and V1 plus V2. Now next topic is sum and direct sum. Sum and direct sum. Ordinary sum. So let U and W are two subspaces of vector space V. U and W are the two subspaces of vector space V. Then, okay, sum, ordinary sum. So, U plus W, ordinary sum is a set. Set sum, first element of first set, element of U, small u, element of W, small w, is like. Addition of a set is like, sum is like. So, distinction U coming from U must be W coming from W. Remember, first element of first set, second element of second set, that is condition, is called sum. Ordinary sum. Direct sum. Sum. Let say U and W are two subspaces of vector space V. Okay. Then this vector space V is a direct sum of U and W if conditions are. 2 points are. First point, this V must be ordinary sum. V must be ordinary sum of U and W. So V must be equals to U plus W, ordinary sum. And second point is V intersection W must be equal to 0. Common element of U and W must be only 0. 2 point, direct sum there. Ordinary sum, V is expressed as U plus W and intersection will be 0. Okay, notation now here, direct sum written as this V is a direct sum plus circle is like notation. So V is a direct sum, ordinary sum is simple plus, direct sum plus circle. Now theorem on this direct sum. So let U and W are subspaces of vector space V. Then to the 2 points are. First point, this addition set U plus W is also subspace. First point, subspace. And second point is this U plus W is a span of U union W. Take only first proof. Span of U union W. 2 point. 2 is the first point. True. So let U and W are subspecies of V. Then U plus W. So just we define U plus W set is a small u and small w restriction. Small u coming from U and small w coming from W. First lambda first. Now show this will be a subspace. So subspace we know alpha plus beta. So let alpha and beta are two scalars coming from field and two vectors. Let V1 one element of U plus W and V2 element of U plus W. Two elements are. Element of this means what? V1 is a space as U1 plus W1. V2 element of this means what? U2 plus W2. You know restriction U1 and U2 coming from U, W1 and W2 coming from W's. First element of first set. Okay. Now alpha U plus beta V. Alpha U plus beta V also element of U. Alpha U. Sorry, here is the elements of V1 and V2. Alpha V1, beta V2. Alpha V1 U1 plus W1, beta V2 U2 plus W2. Open the bracket. Alpha U1, alpha W1, beta U2 and beta W2. Now this is same as alpha U1 plus beta U2 in a one bracket, and second bracket alpha W1 plus beta W. Now see this like elements are this element of U. So yes, use a subspace. Use a subspace. So it is the element of U. Yes. Or it is the element of W. Because this is a subspace. The element of U plus W. So alpha V1 plus beta V2 is the element of U plus W. First element of U, second element of W. Okay? So therefore, subspace. So U plus W is the subspace. Okay, so first point clear, second point obviously, we must do